Whenever you think about a duplex here in Del Rey, do you think about something like this behind me? How about something like this? Or like that? What if I told you that behind me, Classic Cottages did it again with this brand new construction? It's a duplex with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. So come with me and let's explore this gorgeous house. With 9-foot ceilings and about 31, almost 3,200 square feet, you have this gorgeous house that has all the finishes that you can find in a single family home built by this builder. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in the area. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. By the way, if you're moving to the area, you're relocating inside the Northern Virginia area or from another state, make sure you give us a call or send us a text message. We'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and just show you around. Before we go to the second level, let's take a quick look about the powder room here on the main level. Not only you have a powder room, but also you have this mud room that is right next to where you would park your cars. I'll show you around on the outside. Let's go to the second level right now. On the upper floor or the second level, you're gonna have 3 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. We're gonna go to the secondary rooms first. Big rooms, and this bedroom here has an attached bathroom. And this would be bedroom number 3. Go. It has also a closet. And let's take a look at the bathroom here. And on the second level, I love when they put the washer and dryer, the laundry room here. And let's take a look at the master or the primary bedroom. Huge windows, plenty of space. And And you have two closets. You have his and hers closet. And let's take a look at the primary bathroom. Plenty of storage, finishes are gorgeous, and of course Classic Cottages has an incredible amount of attention to detail. Before we go to the basement, I would love to hear what you have to say about the house, so why don't you go to the comment section and let me know. And if you would love to see the house and you want a private tour, please send me a text message with the word tour and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule. Now let's go to the basement. In the basement, you're gonna have an exercise room. This is one of the mechanical closets. Before we go into the family room here in the basement, let's take a look at the bedrooms. Again, another bedroom with plenty of closet space. This is another mechanical room, and you have a full bathroom, which would be your fourth bathroom here in the basement. Fourth. And down here in the family room, you have a full wet bar with a wine fridge, access to the exterior or to the backyard. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but every room is wired for Ethernet and cable, so you don't have to be opening walls or anything like that. It's all ready to go. Let's go to the backyard and take a look around the house. Fully fenced, of course. It's a brand new construction, so they're still fixing up the sod. Thank you very much for touring this house with us today. And like always, we post a video every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you're informed. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.